Hello everyone. My today's video is mostly for the people who are at the last stage of preparation before coming to UK. You must be thinking what are the things that you can buy before you go to UK. So basically I'm here to make your shopping list. So I would tell you, like, you will find almost everything here in UK. You don't take too much of a stress, like what are the things that you need to buy, what are the things you don't. Obviously there are few things that I will suggest you to buy from your home country. The things that you can buy from your home country is clothes, few electronic items, footwears, and some daily usable things. In terms of clothing, I would say give most of the preference to the warm clothes, because here in UK you will experience almost 7 to 8 months to be cold. 2 months maybe bit summer, and 2 months will be autumn. So you can have 2 or 3 t-shirts that I'm wearing, and then mostly focus on the warm clothes like thermal wear, sweater, jacket. I would suggest you to bring at least one full body jacket so that you feel warm in the winter. In UK we also experience rain, so try to invest on a good quality umbrella. I will also suggest you to bring some formal wear like formal pant, formal shirts, a suit, and 1 or 2 pairs of formal shoes. You can bring a winter boot as well to protect your feet from the cold. You can buy few comfortable sneakers and pair of slippers for daily use at your home. Please do not forget to buy some jeans. In terms of electronic items, I will not suggest you to buy a phone or laptop now, because I believe you will find it more cheaper and in a better condition in UK. But if you already have a phone and a laptop, I will ask you to find a charger which is 3-pinned, because here in UK we don't have 2-pin socket, we use 3-pin socket. So if you can find an adapter like that, it will help you using your own gadgets when you will come to UK. Bring at least one bed sheet, one pillow cover, one toothbrush, toothpaste, and a towel, which may help you at the beginning your life in the UK. The most important thing that you need to bring with yourself is all the necessary documents that you have, all your academic certificates, mark sheet, all the achievements that you have got. I would suggest you to keep at least one copy of all the documents that you have submitted to VFS, because when you will come to the airport, the immigration officer can ask you any of the documents. It's kind of peace of mind if you have all the documents with you. And that's all basically, and rest of the things you can get it from here in UK. Once you come here, you will know what you need, what you don't. So don't make your luggage too heavy with all the things that you don't need. So the description, the list that I have given to you, try to emphasize on these things and make a safe journey to UK. I wish you all the very best and a successful life for you. One request to you, if you think the video was informative to you, please subscribe my channel, that you can get more informative video from my channel. Thank you.